I'm back licking my wounds from that debauchery on GU. Knew exactly where this shit was going. It's just sad that they do those stop hunts to get people out. But anyway, I'm not gonna let that slow me down. As you can see, my stops here were there right below, and they came down and hunted my stops, boom, and then spiked all the way back here. That would have put me in such a great position. I mean, 9,000. The account would have been one, and I would have been so far into profits, it would have been ridiculous. But anyway, we live and learn, and that's what happens in trading. So right now, I'm onto a different play. I'm in EU, and I'm looking at the long trend on it. So as you can tell, this formation here started with the drop, then the retest, incline, and the decline here. The explosion move I'm expecting is going to be here. The formation on the retest showed prudent down here with confirmation price action. If I go down to the 4 hour, you'll be able to see it, and it will make more sense with the price action because we did it twice. We shown here for the first, we came back up, made our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then that low still held, which is great. So higher high here, and then we broke down to cross to make a higher low, then lower high, but we came back down to retest. And upon the retest, I noticed, okay, price action showed great. You have a nice explosion candle here, and that's what I took. I took the explosion candle here. Then what I'm doing is a forward limit buy order on it, and I've already set the parameters there, so it just bought me in. And then I have one more that's going to be 40 pips above, is going to set me in there, and I have my targets up here. So as you can tell, this is a 1 to 36, this is a 1 to 34, and a 145. So imagine the potential once getting back up to resistance zones. As long as we can break through these zones here. So I placed an alert here, and I'm going to place another one here just so I can be aware. Once I'm in that position, I can be actually I can understand exactly what's going on, and I can manage the position or add more or put my stops, above break even, whichever the case may be. But as you can tell here, the account looking great. I am so ecstatic just to see that I'm improving. As you can tell, I dropped down. I was 4.5%. It didn't really knock me out, but got pretty close. I'll give you an idea, and I'll show you how close we got in that position, right? So let's go look it up real quick. We're going to FTMO website. We'll kind of get an idea. Ongoing trial here. As you can tell, I was in the money pretty well. I was in the money pretty well here, and then that drawdown on GU is just, it's terrible. I'm still a little salty about it, but I'm not going to get me down. I have until the 24th to do this position here, and right now my permitted loss for the day, I was at $450, but now I'm at $1,450, which is great because of this current position. So not passing yet because it's a 5-day minimum trading plan. Right now I got so close to my max loss in the daily. I'm so far away. I got 7,000 to be away from on the max loss, so I'm good there. Right now I'm still negative in profit. I got 7,000 to make up to beat this, but my risk reward is a 33. I'm at not even a 1-to-1 risk reward, which is terrible. But my lot size, my management on not over trading is there, even though my last trade was a little bit out there as far as over trading, but I'm okay with that. So in being, I'm gonna let this play run. This should actually win me the challenge. Look pretty good on either side. As you can tell, I have my limit orders in, I have my buy orders, I have my stops. I'm just ready to go. So thanks for tuning in, and look forward to seeing this win the challenge and the next post.